In this video, I'm going to be reviewing my MMO Alliance course. MMO Alliance is a set of courses to help you earn money online and help you get your videos ranking #1 on YouTube and Google. So if we head over to the website, I just want to quickly take you through everything so you know what's what. So the very first thing that you'll see is a video, and this is me going into my real life earnings and proving to you that I'm actually earning money on a daily basis through the methods that I'm teaching. In fact, just to interrupt the video really quickly, if I go into my affiliate portal and then do sign in, you can see I'm going to be paid out £876 at the beginning of the month. I still have over £3,000 in pending commissions, and if I go into reports, today I've already generated 5 sales. Okay, I've already generated 5 sales today, and if we go back home and change this date to the last 30 days, I've earned over £1,000 with this method, and it's only from posting a couple of videos a month, if that. Ultimately, I probably spend 2 to 3 hours a week on this method, but this is the sort of money it's been generating for me. Then if we scroll down, every single snapshot on this website is a real snapshot from my own accounts. Then I've broken down the Make Money course into 5 modules. We have Make Money Fundamentals, the Real Case Study, Pro Tips, Website Setup, and Blackheart Foundations. So section 1 is MMO Fundamentals. This is the overall method that I'm going to teach you on how to rank videos, and then I also tell you where to get profitable products. Then moving on to the MMO Case Study, this is a over-the-shoulder case study where you watch me create a brand new YouTube account from scratch. Then you watch me find products, promote them, go through the analytics, and basically repeat every single day to the point you actually see live earnings. This is probably the USP of the entire course because it's hand-holding, and then you can look at all the products that I've promoted and basically replicate my success. Moving on to MMO Pro Tricks. These are things that a lot of top gurus and marketers never tell you about, but these tips are just going to 10x your whole growth of your channels, but more importantly, help you earn money faster. Moving on to the MMO website setup. This is an optional section, but there's some really important things that you might want to consider as you start generating an income down the line, and this is when this course will really kick in, but it's not something you need to implement in the early days. Moving on to MMO Blackheart, this teaches you how to quickly to get a YouTube channel monetized, but I won't go into too much detail about that, but most courses are charging an absolute fortune for this sort of method, but I include it in this. Then if we move down, we've got more results from my personal accounts that I let you look at in your own time, and then I basically explain how you'll be able to beat your rivals for hijacking profitable products. You'll be able to rank almost any business #1 on Google and YouTube. My record of monetizing a YouTube channel is 11 days, so I show you how to do that. And also there's a Quora case study where I actually got published to over 20 million people by literally a day's work. And now, because I've not updated the site since, it's actually over 50 million people I've been published to. So really cool case study that you'll probably enjoy. Then we've got some testimonials. So you can see this testimonial here. He only generated 6 videos and he generated £500 back in commissions, which means that he basically paid, the course has paid for itself. You got Vicky, who again posted 17 videos and again earn the money back from what she paid in the course. Then you've got Matthew, and again he is starting to earn a lot more money, and this guy is now ranking all his videos and his businesses #1 on Google and YouTube. And then I'm not just a one-hit wonder with this course. I've got other courses where I've got tons of people reviewing and giving me 5 stars and just thanking me. Okay, so moving down inside the MMO course, you will drastically increase the chances of earning online. You'll learn what's working and a working YouTube ranking method. This will set you miles ahead of everyone else. I'll show you how you can get in the top 3 spots of YouTube and Google, and the price is only $597. saving you £400 at this moment. Also, if you do purchase this, I'm also going to be giving you some of my other courses, which again is going to enhance everything you learn here today. So I'm going to teach you the 10-minute keyword research hack that I've been doing, where I turn one profitable keyword into unlimited profitable keywords. So that takes away all of the hard work and all of the tedious task of finding loads and loads of keywords. Then I'm going to show you the local business overnight rankings on how to rank a business on YouTube and Google literally within 24 hours, even 10 minutes from posting. Then I'm going to teach you the YouTube channel startup. So I'm going to teach you a more in-depth way of optimizing a YouTube channel from scratch, so you've got the best success, best chances of success as you go forward. Then a little business in a box, an email signature business. I'm going to show you how you don't need to be tech savvy at all and how you can start an email signature business. It's pretty cool and very passive. Then a case study on a software that I used to use called Video Marketing Blaster, now called Vidly, and it basically shows you how I ranked a plumbing business. It's a case study with it, so it's pretty cool. If we jump into the portal area, this is what you're going to see, and a little hidden bonus as well is going to be the marketing templates. Now there's over 1,000 marketing templates for local businesses and frameworks and stuff like that that you will get access to. I'm not going to open it up because it's pretty detailed and you'll be able to see it straight away, but it's really cool. You'll definitely want something like that. If we go into the actual Make Money course, it's broken down into product promotions, YouTube optimization, the case study with the proof of concept, next steps, pro tricks, website setup, keyword research, and black hat methods. Okay, each one tells you exactly what to do step by step, and it's action packed. After product promotion, you should be able to start promoting these products and actually start earning. Okay, it really is. I've gone into a lot of detail and I've taken out everything you don't need to know and can cause confusion, and I've left in everything you need to know that will absolutely start getting you results. And I know these get results because I've already had students start succeeding with my methods. I literally earn $10,000 plus a month from these methods. Okay, so they absolutely work. It's current, it's working, and it's currently on offer right now. So head over. If you've got any questions, drop your comments below. The link is in the description. Go, start earning, and hope to see you inside.